To use routine to play your favorite Spotify playlist with a single tap on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can add music playlist routine to your routine list. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, tap routine. Next, tap compass like icon at the top right to view all preloaded routine. Tap get the best media experience and then select music playlist. Tap Spotify playlist. Now select your favorite Spotify playlist. Tap done button to save your selection. Next, tap save to add this routine to your routine list. Tap the back key. With this routine on your list, you can tap this routine to play the Spotify playlist you have selected before. If needed, you can place this routine on your home screen for faster access. To do so, go to your home screen. Long tap on an empty area on your home screen to go to the home screen edit screen. Tap widget. Scroll down the widget screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. Tap single routine. And then tap add. Next, select music playlist routine. As you can see, a shortcut to the music playlist routine has been added to your home screen. You can single tap this routine shortcut to easily play the Spotify playlist you have set for this routine from your home screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.